What challenges can small and medium-sized enterprises meet when they get into welding automation, and how can they overcome them? There are two main things, in my opinion: uncertainty and lack of know-how. So most small and medium-sized companies think automation is very expensive and very complicated. And of course, most of them think of, say, like an industrial robot cell for welding. And the investment here is very fast, above 100,000 euro. And of course, you need very skilled people, programmers and welders to work with that. But many small and medium-sized companies don't have the high lot sizes that you need to justify industrial robots. So for medium lot sizes, you can think of a cobot solution. And here you are for sure below 100,000 euro in investments, and programming of these cobots is very easy and very fast, and your welders can do that job. So that's the second thing. It's automation is not complicated anymore when you use a cobot. You don't need specially trained staff. Your welders will do the job, and they will be even more motivated because they can get rid of this heavy, demanding manual welding job, but now they can program the cobot and just survey the welding operation. You could even start before that. Just have a look on the components that have to be welded. Maybe you have a lot of long straight welds or orbital welds. Here you can think of a welding tractor or a welding bug that's also available for orbital welding at very, very low costs. And in the second step, if you have more complex geometries, as most of the small and medium-sized companies have, then a cobot will be an ideal solution. So no, automation is not too complex and it's not too expensive. And of course, you can make that step into automation.